Hi everybody, today I will show you how to edit WhatsApp messages after sending. First, open the WhatsApp chat that has the message you want to edit. For example, I will send this message. To edit this message, I will simply long press on this message until it gets selected. Now, a toolbar will appear at the top. Now, simply tap on the three dots in the top right corner and from the menu that appears, select Edit. The message will pop back into the text box at the bottom of the screen, ready for you to make changes. Simply go ahead, place your cursor and remove the previous message or do the required editing. So go ahead and edit your message however you need to. Then tap the send button to save the changes. The message will now show the updated text with a small edited label next to the timestamp so the other person knows it was changed after it was originally sent. Now, there's one more important thing to keep in mind. WhatsApp only allows you to edit a message within 15 minutes of sending it. So if that window has passed, the edit option simply won't appear when you long press on it. And keep in mind, editing only changes the text. You cannot swap out images or files through editing. For that, you would need to send a new message. So that's how you edit WhatsApp messages after sending. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.